Hi, I'm Alex from ANR Design, and today we're going to go through how to set up our brand new offering, the Scatter Gat Trap and Sling combo for breachers. This is a product that we developed for a particular military unit for their breaching teams, and it's now being trialed by quite a few military units. And it's a really simple solution to an old problem. It's kind of based off of the original kind of classic breacher, wrapping a bungee cord around you, securing it to your weapon system, and having a magnet on the person. But we wanted to go a step further and have an actual retention element with the magnet on the shotgun, as well as an integrated sling into your kit. So when you get your Scatter Gat Trap and Sling, it will already have the magnet installed. This is a 2" by 1/4" magnet. It'll already be inside the pouch itself. The pouch has a little tail that sits over the flap. This is so if you're having trouble getting the magnet or you need to swap the magnets or go up to a 3/8 sized magnet, you can stick your fingers in the back of the pouch and lift the flap out of the back of the pouch itself. So it will come pre-installed, folded up on itself with the G-hook threaded through the squadron material. Another reason why we wanted to have this little contraption here with the bifold wallet look to it is now this G-hook magnet assembly, it has some magnetic resistance. So if you are a breacher and you work in a maritime capacity, like on a ship, you're still gonna stick a little bit to the walls, but you're not gonna be clanging off the walls as if you had a raw magnet stitched into your kit. You can also put like a piece of cardboard or something in the trap itself when it's not in use to offer more magnetic resistance if you are on a ship. So you won't stick to everything as you walk through the hallways of the ship. It's got 2 pull dots here on the back and the ability to weave it through Molle. So we will be setting it up on a cummerbund today, as well as a belt. It also comes with our sling. This is our Scatter Gat Sling, shotgun sling. It has a section of elastic material here in the center. It's got some pretty good stretch to it. We wanted to go super, super simple. This is a little Molle T-bar anchor. And as it comes, you'll have a loose quick disconnect. You'll have the shotgun sling itself, which will also be loose-ended with a tri-glide, and then you'll have the T-bar. To set this up, we're gonna put this in our Velocity Systems back panel. This is a backpack that zips onto the back of the Scarab T. But you simply, I like to rotate the Molle T-bar back towards the stitching. It comes out like this. You put it through the bottom of your plate carrier, whatever side you want to anchor your shotgun retention system on, and twist it forward and back, and it becomes a Molle anchor for your sling. So we wanted this to be super simple. Run it up through your back panel, run it through your shoulder pad. And obviously this is easier depending on what shoulder pads you have. And then once it's through, now your elastic sling is integrated underneath your shoulder pad, and you have the loose tail of the elastic visible and your loose tail of your 1" webbing. Now we purposefully left this extra long so that you can cut it and burn it to length. Comes with the 1" quick disconnect. So once you have your shotgun stuck to your cummerbund, you can set your length of pull on how you want your sling set up. Weave it through the tri-glide, and make sure you always have extra loose end to go back through the tri-glide once at the front. This locks the tri-glide in place. You can cut your loose end, burn it, and now you have your quick disconnect set up for your shotgun. On to mounting this, we'll pick a spot in the middle of our cummerbund. going through the top of my Molle, feeding it through back onto itself. If you want it to get loose, make it easier, loosen up your G hook, open it up so you got extra room. You can do this with the magnet not installed if you really like to. The nice thing about Squadron material is it's really easy to weave through Molle. And now it's ready to receive the shotgun. The reason why we went with a G hook on this instead of a buckle is because if this, depending on where you mount this, you can always bend the tine of the G hook out a little bit or inward a little bit, so it's easier to get into the Squadron loop. The nice thing about Squadron is it stays a loop. It doesn't collapse on itself. Depending on how you run this, because it is a magnet, you can simply stick the G hook somewhere into the side of the Scatter Gat Trap to retain the hook. It's also quiet. If you're on target, you don't want something like Velcro or Swift clips that could be loud, clipping in and out. You get on target, you undo your G hook, and now your shotgun will stick right to your side.